What's poppin', air gunners? I'm Denny, the Flat Broke Air Gunner, and today you're watching the Flat Broke Air Gunner Show. I would like to say thank you for tuning in and being a part of the channel. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Please comment. You know, if you got something to say, I'd love to hear from you. The more input you put into the channel, the better the channel will be. Okay, today I want to take a look at the Crosman M4-177 multi-pump air rifle. The M4 comes with a black synthetic stock. Clearly, mine has been modified. It's a multi-pump pneumatic bolt-action rifle with a manual safety, which is right in front of the trigger mechanism, right in there. The M4 can be pumped 3 to 10 times. Do not exceed 10 pumps. The M4 is a multi-ammo rifle. It's capable of shooting either BBs or pellets. Either in a pinch will get the job done. The M4 has a 350 round BB reservoir, an 18 round BB magazine, and a 5 round pellet mag. The pellet mag is the same that's used by the Crosman 760 Powermaster. Picking up extra mags is simple and cheap, and that will save you valuable shooting time and loading time when you're out at the range. The M4 comes with a removable front sight and rear sight, which is the rear sight is an aperture sight, which is adjustable for windage. The front sight is a post sight, which is adjustable for elevation. The M4 comes with a tool to adjust all the stuff to get it done, to make it, you know, zero in and do what you want it to do. The M4 also comes with Picatinny style optic rails above the receiver, below the front sight, above the front sight, and under the underside of the forearm, which is also the pump. The M4 has a rifle barrel, which is 17.25 inches in length and shoots BBs at 650 feet per second, lead pellets at 625, according to what I've read online. Don't drag me over the coals on this, because again, I'm going on what I've read online. And what I've read online, it says that the stats in the owner's manual are incorrect. The M4 has a reported muzzle energy of 4.93 pounds. With the telescoping stock, it looks ultra tactical and goes from 30.5 inches to 33.75 inches with the pushes of a button, which is right here under the rear shoulder stock. The M4 comes with sling mounts from the factory, making it a breeze to carry, weighing in at 3.75 pounds. The M4 is a super realistic, awesome looking little plinker. The trigger pull is 4 pounds, so it's perfect for the new shooter in my opinion. There'll be no hair trigger misfires or anything like that. The Crosman M4 runs around 60 bucks in the US and runs up to 100 when you buy it in the combo pack. What? What? Mine has been modified up pretty heavily, as you can see. It's got the fishnet camo patterning, you got the front bipods, peak optic sight, and all that. It's really nice. Like I said, again, just real quick. You can adjust everything. This is the stripper clip I was talking about before for the pellets. It's real simple to use. You load them in the skirt facing back, which when it's shaped like that, you can tell this is the back side and this is the front. You got to pull the bolt action back and then slide it in there and it'll click. When it clicks, you know, you push it forward and it's ready to fire. So let me pump this up and we'll get a couple of rounds down range and I'll show you what she does when she does what she does.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah.
To the shots, and again, this is the Crosman M4 177 multi-ammo pneumatic. It's super fun. I'd really like to give a shout out to 68 Whiskey guys, Keith and Norm. You guys are awesome. I really love your show. Medway Airguns, MEDWAY Airguns, also on YouTube. Quality guy, quality channel. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in and watching my review and being part of the channel. Take care of yourself. Always wear your shooting glasses when you're shooting. Always be a straight shooter. And I will see you on the next video. Take care and God bless, people.
Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes.